Hey there, welcome back to Genius Junkie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom virtual backgrounds using Canva. Whether it's for your Zoom meetings, webinars, or online classes, having a unique virtual background can really elevate your online presence. Let's jump right into it. Search for a template or start from scratch. First, log into Canva and head over to the search bar. Type in Zoom virtual background or just virtual background, and you'll see a variety of templates pop up. Canva has a collection of pre-made designs you can use, but if you prefer to get creative, you can always start from scratch by selecting a custom size of 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is the standard for virtual backgrounds. Choose your base and let's start designing. Customize your background. Once you have your template or blank canvas, it's time to customize it. Canva offers tons of design elements like photos, shapes, and graphics to help you personalize your background. If you're going for a professional look, you might want to add your company logo or use a sleek, modern design. On the other hand, for a more casual vibe, try colorful patterns or scenic images. Simply drag and drop elements onto your canvas and adjust the layout to your liking. Add text and branding. Next, let's add some text or branding elements. You can include your name, job title, or company name to give your virtual background a professional touch. Canva has tons of stylish fonts, so pick one that matches your theme, and adjust the size, color, and placement. Remember, less is more. Don't overcrowd the background with too much text. Keep it clean and easy to read. Download and apply your background. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download your virtual background. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose the file format. PNG works best for virtual backgrounds, and save it to your computer. Now, all you need to do is open your video conferencing app, like Zoom, head to the virtual background settings, and upload your new design. You're ready to rock your next meeting in style. And that's it. You've just created your own custom virtual background using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips here at Genius Junkie. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.